Welcome to India Astrology YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll know about your partner based on the zodiac sign. Before proceeding, I'd request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get new videos immediately. Being in a romantic and committed relationship is what many of us want at a certain point of time in our life. After all, it gives us emotional security, a trustworthy partner, and satisfying life, which often leads to happiness. However, many of us are skeptical about what kind of relationship we want or how good or bad a partner you have. Such thoughts and questions are very normal to arise before entering a relationship. In fact, they help us to get clarity about what we want in a partner. If you are also facing such a struggle, there is no need to worry. Here is a look at what kind of partner you have based on the zodiac sign. Aries. Aries are known to be stubborn, and this reflects in their relationship as well. If they say they truly love you, they will do so forever. They will never stop showing interest in you or adoring you. Taurus. Taurians lovers are excited about making sure they live in a nice home and keep everything fancy around them. Also, be prepared to share a great physical relationship. Taurus are kind spirited people and want to be the best for others. Gemini. A Gemini partner would be obsessed with you. They are talkative and usually flirtatious with new people without them knowing about it. They are ambitious and social. Cancer. A Cancerian would be a loving partner and would pour every bit of love into your relationship. They will be focused on keeping their partner comfortable and happy. They are also known for thinking with their hearts. Leo. They are usually protective of their partners. They would always defend you fiercely and support you unconditionally. If they claim that they love you, they will do so till their last breath. They would always wish to see you transform into full and most fearless form. Virgo. They care about their partner a lot. In fact, they care about nothing more than the people they love. They are fierce lovers and give their all to the one they love. Libra. Since they are ruled by the planet of love, Libras are the ultimate romantic partners. Libras admire beauty, balance, and peace, and they make sure their partner feels appreciated and loved. Also, they are boldly expressive. Scorpio. Scorpios are extremely loyal and would stick by you no matter what. They would love you fiercely, even though they might not show their love on the outside. Once they choose a partner and trust them, only then will they show them their real love. Sagittarius. A Sagittarius would be an adventurous partner. A Sagittarian always tries to spice things up like planning romantic weekend getaways and really knowing their partners. Although they are reluctant to settle down sooner, once they meet the right partner, they don't hesitate to make a big move. Capricorn. A Capricorn would be a responsible partner. Capricorns are known for being future oriented, career driven, grounded, and practical. If someone is looking for steady relationship, a Capricorn would be an ideal choice. Aquarius. Aquarians are most independent lovers of all zodiac signs. They usually have traits of entrepreneurs and balance their relationship along with their fantasies. Pisces. A Pisces would be a passionate partner. They are emotional and intuitive. They will fall into a long term commitment. They become full of love and loyalty. They are true romantics and usually take that extra step to perform grand gestures for their partners. So, friends, I hope this information was useful for you and you will take advantage of it. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you, friends.